Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is June 4th, Thursday. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible trades. And I'm going to run through them all for you and let you guys know exactly what we did on them. First trade we had was a power play. This one came right at our market on open, which is the first 3 candles of the morning session. And what I told everybody was that we basically had some big buyers that were going to potentially step in here. It was market on open, and the market was already down about 16 points. And I said, if you're going to take this trade at all, it must be minimum half size. And basically, because on the power play we have to add, that basically means anybody trading under 4 contracts could not even take the trade. Larger size traders who could trade smaller was okay to take. I did call the trade, but I can tell you right now that only about 10%, if that, of people in the room took it. We did lose very small. We lost a couple ticks, again, on a half a position or smaller. So equivalent of maybe a tick on a full position. No big deal, but nonetheless, it was not a winner or a break even. It was a loss. And what we did was we got short at 2150. We added on this green candle here at 2102.50 to the trade. And we got out of the trade as soon as this candle closed. I said, look, we're not going to play with this. This thing's too powerful. Get out and lose 2 ticks. And that's exactly what we did. We lost 2 ticks on the trade, and we moved on. Second trade was a power play again. And this one was up at 2100 quarter. I'm sorry, 2108 quarter. 2108 quarter. And we took that one up. That one worked for about 3 points. Okay, I told anybody if they wanted to take a new entry or add on, they could add on here at 2110. Okay, 2110. That was at 909. Okay, that was an S play. And on that add on there, that we got another point there. If it was taken as a new entry, again, you got a point. If you went for a total break even on the trade, that's exactly what you got. If you took half off and went -1, one lot traders or anybody who just wanted to get a point got a point on that trade. So small winner or break even there. 2 to 3 point winner here. Lost 2 ticks on this trade on a half a position, so equivalent of a tick. Fourth trade we had was a power play again 2100 half. 2100 half at 10 o'clock. I'm sorry, 10:06. And that one worked for about 1.5. Anybody again who tried to hold would have had a total break even. Otherwise, you made a point. And then on this trade here, again, the last trade of the day was at 10:33. And again, this one made a solid point and a half. Again, anybody who tried to hold, depending on how many contracts they had, they could have made up to 2 to 3 points. It just depends on how much they could give it to the upside for a break even. So in other words, if somebody had 3 contracts and they took 2 off and they kept their stop at -2 points, which is our original area, they would have never been stopped out. If they wanted to try to get more, they could have made 2 or 3 points on their runner. 2 lot trader most likely was a break even. 1 lot trader would have made their point. So it's a little bit different depending on how many contracts people are trading. 1 lot trader would not have taken this trade, would have made a point here, point here, point here, and point here for a total of 4 points on the day. 2 lot trader again would have not taken this trade, would have made +1 and +2 or 3 points here, maybe a total break even here, maybe a total break even here, maybe a total break even here. So depending on how many contracts people were trading, it varies. Nobody would have lost on the day, but people would have made anywhere between 2 to 4 points per contract based on the trades that they took. And that's what we had. So we're going to come back again tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. And until then, guys, have an excellent day.